I'd like to now bring in our gracious chair of the Committee on World Food Security, Mr. Thanawat Tiensin. Chairman, it is an honor to have you with us here today, and we congratulate you on your leadership and Ambassador Hogevien's, which led to the passing of the new voluntary guidelines on food systems and nutrition. It's also a great honor to have several past chairs of the CFS with us today, including Ambassadors Arvello, Verberg, and Olanoran. Now over to you, Mr. Tiensin, for your remarks.
Yeah, thank you very much, Rick. Thank you, the private sector mechanism, for your invitation. After listening to John, Clint, and also to Health, we have heard a lot of possibilities how to improve innovation for our food system. And that's why the topic of today, when we're talking about innovation, is relevant, is important for us. The recent evidence showed that the progress toward eliminating hunger and malnutrition is still insufficient. And in this context, we have to be innovative in order to transform our food system. This is the surest way to achieve the world free from hunger and malnutrition within the environmental boundary. Such innovations are, when we're talking about innovation, is not only we are talking about robots that can harvest crop 24 hours, 7 days a week. It's not only drones that can capture soil conditions or can monitor our plantation field of thousands hectares, but it can be a simple and innovative approach that can help farmers and also can help our producers to increase their capacities, effectiveness, and also to increase their profitability. And that's why, as Jahel mentioned earlier, once we think differently, it already innovation. When we think different from the past, it already create the innovation. And that's why we need all kind of innovation, new business model, the logistic e-commerce or scientific research, technological advantage, and also the social change. We can put everything together and we can keep all to be balanced to make sure that we can feed a growing global population with sufficient and nutritious food that is healthy for our people and the planet. I don't want to keep you here long because we will have an interactive session during the breakout session. I would like to mention that our work at the CFS now and also during the next few months, now we are working on the policy recommendation on agroecological and other innovative approach. And we need your support and we need your active participation to make sure that we can bring all knowledge and also how to bring knowledge into the policy recommendation and can be implemented at the country level. And that one is the key, because CFS, we have the policy conversion process, we are producing policy products. But to make sure that we bring those products to the field, we bring those policies to be implemented to make sure that the country take lead with private sectors and civil society and other stakeholders together and create a real impact. And that's why we need your help, we need your support. And I can say that some of the few examples of our actionable policy recommendation, the CFS is committed to foster and uptake the innovation in agriculture and food system. As I mentioned earlier, it is the surest way to addressing major socio-economic and environmental challenges while considering positive and negative externalities as well as trade-off for sustainability. Thank you very much for joining us, and also wish you have a fruitful discussion in the breakout session. And also we will have innovative ideas from all of you and can bring better. Thank you very much.